Hi, welcome. Today we're taking a look at the DJI Mic 2. It's designed to make audio recording accessible for everyone, whether you're a vlogger, podcaster, or just capturing live moments. Let's take a look at the DJI Mic 2. Let's take a moment to appreciate this sleek carrying case. Inside the case is a charging case. Not only does it serve as the heart of the DJI Mic 2 ease of use, but it also is packed with features that make your life easier. This isn't just any case. Once you open it, the magic starts. It automatically powers on and it pairs a receiver and transmitter, meaning you're ready to record in seconds. No more digging through menus or fiddling with buttons. The convenience doesn't stop there, of course. The case is smart. It charges your transmitter and receiver, ensuring you're always ready for action. On the front are LED indicators. You can check the charging status at a glance, whether you're prepping for a full day of shooting or just need to recharge. This case has you covered. And for those who are always on the move, this charging case is your best friend. It's compact enough to fit in your bag, yet robust enough to keep your mic safe. DJI really thought of everything to make recording as hassle-free as possible. It's not just about keeping your devices charged, it's also ensuring that you're always ready when inspiration strikes, no matter where you are. Truly, these mics are full of thoughtful features. Syncing with your camera is seamless, thanks to the 3.5mm cable connection, ensuring synchronized audio and video recordings. And with the 1.1 OLED touchscreen, adjustments are a breeze. Gain, volume, brightness, all easily controlled for the perfect setup. All right, moving on to the transmitter. Each transmitter is more than just a mic, of course. It's a portable recorder with 8 gigs of storage for up to 14 hours of high quality audio. This feature is perfect for post-production or as a reliable audio backup, ensuring you never lose your audio. Attachment and portability, DJI has you covered. The transmitters clip on with a magnetic snap, making them easy to attach and conceal. Plus, the sleek carrying case ensures that everything stays organized and portable, ready for action at a moment's notice. Bluetooth connectivity opens up new possibilities. Connect the transmitter directly to the Osmo Pocket 3 or Osmo Action 4, or use it with your smartphone for third-party video apps. The DJI Mic 2 is not just a microphone, it's a versatile tool that adapts to your creative flow. In this next segment, I'm going to walk you through connecting your DJI Mic 2 transmitter directly to your iPhone using Bluetooth. It's a fantastic way to enhance your audio for videos or live streams directly from your phone. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Now that your transmitter is on, let's put your transmitter in Bluetooth mode. We're going to hold down this button off to the side here for a few seconds. Once your transmitter is in Bluetooth mode, you'll want to hold down the link button here until it starts flashing. So grab your phone and let's head into the Bluetooth settings. You'll find this setting under Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on and then look for the mic in the list of devices. And there you have it. Connecting your DJI Mic 2 transmitter to your phone is easy as that. Let's not forget about the safety track feature. A secondary track is recorded at a lower volume, protecting your audio from spikes and surprises, even in the loudest environments. The mics don't just capture sound, they capture it with exceptional clarity thanks to the 32-bit flow recording. From whispers to shouts, every tone is recorded with a high dynamic range, giving you greater flexibility in post-production. All right, let's talk about battery life. It's truly a game changer. 6 hours of operating time that extends to 18 hours with the charging case. Woo! Plus the ability to charge your phone while recording. That's a plus. The mics are ready for a marathon season, truly, and all-day events. What else can you ask for? Now let's talk about something that really sets the DJI Mic 2 apart. Its incredible range up to 820 feet. Whether you're recording a dynamic outdoor event, conducting an interview, or just needing the freedom to move around, the DJI Mic 2 keeps you connected, ensuring your audio is crisp and clear, no matter the distance from your camera. This means you're free to explore more creative angles and shots without worrying about losing your audio quality. It's all about giving you the flexibility to capture your vision exactly how you imagined it. So there you have it, the DJI Mic 2, a mic that's designed to elevate your content game. Just do it. Go buy it, go check it out. Link down below. And if you would like to go check out my last video, a smart ring by Ultrahuman, I will provide a link up here. Go check it out. Thanks for watching and hanging out. Drop us a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the DJI Mic 2. Until next time, we out.